Hello friends, today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the 1998 Australian 20-cent coin. Welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Let's start, friends.
Again, welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Hello friends, today we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to explore the 1998 Australian 20-cent coin, featuring the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. This coin holds historical and collectible significance, and we're going to explore its design, composition, mintage, and current value. The obverse of this coin showcases a regal portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This portrayal of Her Majesty was created by the talented British sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. It's often referred to as the fourth portrait and is one of the iconic images of Queen Elizabeth II, used on coins during her reign. Now, let's take a look at the reverse side. It features a unique and beloved Australian icon, the platypus. The platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal native to Australia, known for its distinctive appearance and intriguing characteristics. Above the platypus, you'll find the coin's denomination, 20 cents. The 1998 Australian 20-cent coin is primarily composed of metals. Friends, it's made from 75% copper and 25% nickel. This composition gives the coin its distinctive color and durability, making it suitable for everyday circulation. In 1998, Australia produced a significant number of these 20-cent coins. The mintage for that year was substantial, with millions of these coins being struck. This means that they were readily available for use in everyday transactions.
Now, let's talk about the value.
The 1998 Australian 20-cent coin, in circulated condition, which means it has been used and shows signs of wear. This coin typically holds a value close to its face value, which is 20 cents. These coins were commonly found in everyday pocket change, in uncirculated or mint condition, where the coin exhibits little to no wear and retains its original luster. Its collector's value can be slightly higher, depending on its quality and rarity. An uncirculated 1998 20-cent coin might be worth a few cents to a couple of dollars. So, friends, there you have it. A detailed look at the 1998 Australian 20-cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. It's a coin that's not only a part of Australia's currency history, but also a piece that collectors can find intriguing. Remember, the actual value of any coin can fluctuate based on its condition and any unique features it may possess. If you're interested in collecting or selling coins, it's a good idea to consult with experts or reference reputable coin collecting guides for precise valuations.
If you found this video informative, subscribe Zikzok Coin Action. And in this video, made any mistakes, sorry. Thanks for watching, take care.